my videos. This. No, no. Only my Eva stream. Only my Eva stream videos are famous. Eva stream videos are liked. Eva stream videos are subscribed. So I am thinking to make only Eva stream videos. This is yoga. Mahal of my hands. I'm thinking to download 1.19 Revenge of my Frog. And I have so many channels. Parted has not come. Why? No, it is not come. So guys, please subscribe and like. And subscribe me, please, please, please. So in my files are don't any disturb or something. So I will currently delete Minecraft and this was the rest to download Minecraft. How to download it? This? Yes, I can download now. Download. I'm not. Download? Open. What is this modification? What is this? No, I don't have to download it. So I cannot download. So bye bye guys. Bye.